Welcome back to the ABC Networking YouTube channel. My name is Tobias van Inge, and this time we're going to have a look at the next generation firewall. Main reason is that I got some questions on the channel if we can make some examples, videos for the next generation firewall, in particular in combination with how to monitor policies, how to use syslogging, how to do packet tracing, etc. So what we have here is a next generation firewall in a very simple setup, and what we will try to do with these videos is to make a series of videos. So try to cover one topic at a time, and this time we're going to have a look how we can use IMC as a syslog server and using the next generation firewall to forward syslog messages towards this syslog server. The next generation firewalls is using Ceph as a forwarding as a syslog format, so that's pretty handy. So let's have a look. We have a policy here, and what you will see is we have very simple firewall rule. We have one rule that is permitting everything, and there is one rule that's blocking everything. So it doesn't really make sense for a real-life production environment, but it helps us in forwarding logging for this one. So let's go to the policies. In order to configure syslogging, you need to set up notification contacts. And as you can see here, there is one management console and there is one remote system log. The remote system log is syslog type, but there is not one configured. So you select it, you click on edit, and we can add one. Our IMC server is this IP address. And then you can change the facility, the block facility, or the port number. I say add and save it. Then we need to go to the action sets, and on every rule you can configure multiple actions. For example, permit plus notify, permit notify trace, which we will use in another video. But for this one, we're going to use permit notify. Select edit. And we're going to a notification, and we're going to select the remote system log. As you can see, there is one server in that remote system log configured. Save that. Okay, that one is saved. As you can see, this feature is an instant commit feature, so we don't need to save it here because this is the changes take effect immediately. There is one thing we need to do is we need to go to the policy now, to the firewall. And as you can see here, we are back in our rules, but the action on our rules is currently permit, and we configured the syslog forwarding on permit and notify. So I will need to edit this. And as you can see here, the action set, I'm going to set that on permit and notify. Save it. Commit pending changes. Yes. So it is saving now the changes I made, and then everything is configured. Okay, let's go to IMC, and in IMC you can find your syslog server in Alarm, Syslog Management, Browse Syslog. And let me open up something. So let me open up an RDP session into that environment. There's the RDP session going. And then we can browse the syslog server, and you can see that we have all kinds of syslogs that will coming into the syslog services next generation firewall. When you can click one and you can see the Ceph format described here with application details, the host, where it comes from, the action is permit, so you can see all the information that is in here. And the syslog messages will keep on going. So this concludes this video demonstration around syslogging in combination with the next-gen firewall and HPE IMC. So the next time we're going to look how to immediately make a packet capture. So hope to see you next time.